So over here, you can see that I am in the home page of Microsoft Clipchamp. And if I were to go around over here, you can see that I am signed in with my tututube@outlook.com account right here. But if you want other service accounts like Gmail accounts or even Facebook to be associated with this particular account, then you can go under settings and see the connected account section. Once you go around over here, you can see the option to connect to Google account or Facebook or even Dropbox right here. This also makes it easy to upload out content to different platforms right here that you connect with. For example, I'm going to go around and click on connect to Google. And you can see that it opens up the Explorer window. So you can go around and select the account that you want to connect to right here and then sign in right here. So let me just go around and sign in. And what happens is that it opens up Clipchamp now right here. And it says you're almost good to go right here. So it says the site is trying to open up Clipchamp. And once you do that, what happens is that your Microsoft Clipchamp account will be connected to that particular Google account. And you can use that Google account to sign in to your Clipchamp account besides the Microsoft account that you have as well. And that is how you can connect out different accounts to Microsoft Clipchamp as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.